Hey guys, it's been a minute since I did a car chit chat, but here I am doing a car chit chat. Yeah, I've been kind of like taking it easy like these past couple of days, like, or weeks really. I just haven't been feeling like my best self, and I don't know if some of you guys may not know, but I have an autoimmune disease that affects my muscles and my joints, my body, and I just haven't been feeling my best because it's been affecting me. And yesterday was like the worst it's been in a very long time. So I pretty much just kind of been just resting, and I mean, it just could be my body too telling me, hey girl, you've been on the go a lot, you need to do some resting, like, girl, sit down. So that could be it too, that your girl needs to do some sitting down and resting. So I definitely been doing that, just wrestling. Recently, like this past weekend, oh sorry guys, I'm a little tickled. This past weekend, I went, my boyfriend's family was in town. My boyfriend, he was in a musical called Dreamgirls musical, and he was a part of this company called Harry Players. So this is his second musical that he's done that I've been able to see him in, and it was a really good musical. If you guys stay close to Atlanta, check out Harry Players. They have they do different musical shows with some up-and-coming actors and stuff. And so we went to brunch, and I'll also have that either in this video or maybe the one before this, but we went to the Breakfast Boys in College Park. It was really, really good. Like, the food was so good. I would definitely be back. My boyfriend kept saying the whole time, oh, we coming back. Oh, we coming back. So he thoroughly, like, enjoyed himself, like, at the Breakfast Club, whatever. And then I went skating. So I did a lot this weekend. So my body probably was just like, girl, you know, you're not 100%. You can't be out here like that. So right now I'm headed to the arena. The Atlanta Hawks, they are having a draft party, so I'm kind of excited. I haven't been out all week, so I'm headed to do that. And then also this weekend I have a couple things lined up. I'm doing this all yellow festival at Piedmont Park on Saturday, so I'm getting together my social group, Atlanta social group. Then Sunday, me and the group, we're going to the park and we're doing a mini like picnic. And then there's this yoga instructor that hosts trap yoga there, so we're also gonna do that as well. So this weekend will be in the heat in the heat all weekend, but I'm excited to like get out and do some things, and two, I'll get to like do a little bit more vlogging. I feel a lot better. I know I haven't been doing much vlogging lately, so now I feel like, you know, myself, and I can, you know, pick up my camera and go ahead and get started. So I'll just check back in with you guys. I need to focus on driving because, you know, these people, some of these people can't drive. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all later. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're here at the draft party. It's been so long since I've been in this arena.
Beyonce outfit on.
Oh, listen, that is a Beyonce concert. What is this? 92, what, they got some free stuff? Some game? Oh, you want to take a picture with Harry the Hawk?
You want to sit in this line?
It's not that long.
Okay.
It's only like, oh look. I'm waiting for them to put AJ Griffin on a t-shirt. His six-figure coins. Get it, Harry. Get it, Harry. but as I was doing it, it was a guy in front of us that had 12.
Oh, I think you got 12 tickets?
Still out there. He's very intriguing. I'm wondering why. This is a guy that's arguably in every mock a top 10 pick out of Villanova. And why?
We ready?
I got a question mark. But if he's there and
going into next season. Again, do they pick the best available? Do they go for a positional need?
Certainly a lot of eyes are on Atlanta if there are going to be any shakeups on that roster, particularly this summer. But right now, the pick is in, so let's head back to the podium where NBA Commissioner Adam Silver is ready to share who is heading to the
With the 15th pick in the 2023 NBA Draft, the Atlanta Hawks select Kobe Buffkin.
Hey, good morning. Y'all, it is 6 a.m. on a Friday, and I'm here to get my lashes done. Look at them. So I wanted to give y'all the quick before my lashes so you can see what they look like before my hair hits the look. So I'll check in with y'all after my appointment so y'all can see that afterwards. Alright guys, so what you think about my lashes? Yeah, I'm back in this game. So now I am about to go get me some Starbucks. And I'm going to head home. I gotta start work because I gotta be working at 9 o'clock. So yeah, I just wanted to like kind of show you guys like my lashes, show you what they look like. Y'all can see lashes. Shauna be hooking me up